Ever since I got my car serviced, there's been a strange metallic pinging sound whenever I start the engine up until it gets up to running temperatures. And it is controlled by the throttle as well, so just hoping that someone has an idea of what it might be.